Hello student, in this video I'll explain about the Python variable and the identifier. After watching this video you can able to understand how to declare a variable in Python, how to assign the value inside it and how to get the value from the variable. So as you see the points here, a variable is declared to hold some space in the memory. The data is stored in variable can then be modified, stored or displayed whenever needed. So it means that after creating the variable, after assigning the value, we can be modified it or we can be displayed it or we can be use this variable for the further use in the programming. So as you see the example here, in the first example, a variable a is created or defined, and with the help of this assignment operator 5 is assigned inside the variable a. So when we use the a in our programming, so it means that we want to fetch the or we want to process the 5 because the variable a hold 5 here. So as you see the inside the print constructor here, the number is in the double quotation mark. It means that it is a string, so it will print as here, but a is not quoted here. If we quoted a here, then it will be print a, but here a is not quoted, so it means that it will treat it as a variable. It means that first it will go to check the reference and the corresponding value which is assigned inside it can be fetched here. So a holds 5 here, then it will be print here. In the same manner, after creating it, if you want to update the value, so as you assign the first value, you can be assigned the second value inside this variable also. Now as a number you can be stored the string inside the variable also. Now the second point is identifier. Identifier is a broad term. It is a name given to a program element such as variable and the function. So the difference between the variable and the identifier is that identifier is a broad term. It means that the name given to a variable is a identifier also, but a variable means a value that can hold um, a constant value and a variable value also inside it. So we can be do it inside it. So let's go into the Python cell for better understanding. Here a is created as a variable. If you want to assign 8 here, then type 8 and press enter. Now if you want to show it will assign or a is hold 8 or not, so type here variable and print. See the result. So inside the print constructor we pass only a and it will print the 8. So a is treated as a variable here. Now if I use this variable as a string, type a and then see the result, a is printed as in manner. So if we code them inside the single quote, double quote or the triple quote, then this character inside the single, double and triple quote is treated as a string. But if we know typed in this manner, then it will be treated as a variable. It will search the value which is assigned inside it and it will fetch it and then show the result inside it. So now if you want to store the string, then you can be do it hello and now print and inside print pass the variable here and press enter and see the result. It can hold the string also.